yet. So we're gonna try this slip cover on the day bed to see if it works, because we don't know if it's going to work. And we're gonna try and return it.
I just wish we could salvage it.
I know,
just
but we
love
can't.
the
It's just,
tufting
it's not salvageable. I give it up.
I don't think we need the slip cover right at this moment. Can we see if it gets together first?
Yeah,
So that metal piece slides into these sides here. Do you see this? Oh, first we need to put on the bottom.
What are you talking about?
The actual cushion part?
Oh.
Okay.
Move.
Okay. Okay, well, let's not break it. I think we need it.
There we go.
There we go.
It's in.
Okay.
It's in.
All right. Ooh, it's big. Got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Now we stand it up. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, see, I love this. Isn't it great?
It's filthy, but
Well, yeah, it's a little dirty. Having a little shout won't help. Okay. It's not in on this side.
it's in.
It's not in on this side.
Okay, get it in.
It's in.
Nice. All right, that wasn't not bad.
Wow, look at that. Free!
It's disgusting.
I'd put it in my place.
No, you wouldn't. Look at how the back is so filthy.
Okay, right. I'll take a sponge to it.
Here, we're gonna cover it. Come on, let's see if we can get it covered.
Okay.
Oh,
It's
this
just
is
so cute.
okay. So this is for the arm.
Okay.
I think that might go.
Where'd you get this?
This was Bed Bath & Beyond.
How much was it?
35.
On sale?
Yep.
Great.
Supposed to go to 70-something inches.
Well, I don't have a tape measure.
I think you're putting it on wrong. Like, that's the arms. You see? That's like an arm. So get that
Where are
arm
the fucking
on
instructions?
first.
Okay, I see what you're saying. This is the arm.
There really isn't any instructions, Connor. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work.
Is that the arm?
That's the arm.
It's just such a... That looks awful.
It does. But I'm wondering, because we don't really need it to cover the back, do we?
No. But we need it to cover it all.
Love seat, sofa, center back of cover. So
it's completely wrong.
center back.
Okay. I just hate this. I just want to clean off this one.
Connor, it's disgusting. There's no salvaging it.
What if you just leave it with me for a day and I'll make it real nice? What am I doing?
I don't know. This isn't gonna fit, so.
It's not gonna fit?
No. No, there's no fitting.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Well, do you want to keep that or do you want to return it?
I don't know. That's what we need to decide.
Look how nice this is.
It's disgustingly filthy, Connor. I mean,
Carla, it's nothing we can't clean off.
yes, it's more than we can clean off.
It's beautiful, though.
I think that, maybe a nice cover will work, but we've got to measure it.
So where's the measuring tape? You gonna go to the office?
Go to the office and ask her.
You go to the office. You go to the office. I'll put this away. Do you have 86?
86. Okay.
Are you writing this down?
In my head.
Okay.
86.
Okay.
By 29 and a half.
86:30.
All right, 86:30.
I'd rather it be too big.
Yeah, and then depth. Probably from here over.
34.
34.
86:30, 34.
86:30, 34. Got it.
Let me put that in my phone. I'm Connor Ashley.
And I'm Carla Chavis.
We're the mother-son real estate and design duo.
We are here to help you invest in properties.
Now, you can make a lot of money doing this.
We're your people.